your desires into existence and easily manifest anything that you want using these powerful law of attraction affirmations. Let me show you how to speak what you want into existence. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. Number 1, my highest good is supported by the universe today. I attract good. My highest good is supported by the universe today. I attract good. Today, your highest good is supported by the universe. You are attracting only good. Number 2, my new normal is unexpected success. I attract amazing things today. My new normal is unexpected success. I attract amazing things today. Your new normal is unexpected success. You attract amazing things today. Number 3, I love myself and I love life. Doesn't that feel good? Doesn't that feel true? I love myself and I love life. You love yourself. You've turned a corner. You truly love yourself and you're truly loving life. You are excited about life. I love myself. I love my life. Number 5, I am infinite energy, energized, and inspired. Comment that one down below. I am infinite energy, energized, and inspired. Comment that one down below. I am infinite energy, energized, and inspired. You are infinite energy, energized, and inspired. I am love. I feel love. I radiate love. I attract love. I am love. I feel love. I radiate love. I attract love. Feel that in the very cells of your body. I am love. I feel love. I radiate love. I attract love. You are love. You feel it right now in your very core of your being. You radiate it. You attract love. God manifests all my desires with grace and quickness. God manifests all my desires with grace and quickness. Guess what? God manifests all your desires with grace and with quickness. Feel how great and exciting that feels. God manifests all your desires with grace and quickness. All my needs are met instantaneously by infinite abundance. All my needs are met instantaneously by infinite abundance. Feel the truth of that. All of your desires are met instantaneously by infinite abundance. I feel amazing. I attract miracles regularly. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. Can you feel the truth of that? I feel amazing. I attract miracles regularly. I feel amazing. I attract miracles regularly. I attract infinite and unlimited abundance into my life. Success flows to me easily. I attract infinite and unlimited abundance into my life. Success flows to me easily. Comment that one down below. Success flows to me easily down below. And if you want success to flow to you easily, pick one of these affirmations, write it on an index card or put it in the notes on your phone today. If you got a little pen, you can write it on the palm of your hand so you constantly look at today. The goal is to program it into your subconscious mind. We have 65,000 thoughts in a day according to psychologists, and 95% of them are habitual. The same way you get a chorus to a song stuck in your head is the same way you're going to get a belief system stuck into your head. So if you want to manifest the things that you desire easily, pick one of these affirmations, write it on an index card, your iPhone, the palm of your hand, or whatever works best for you, and read it hundreds of times. Connect to that truth within you that you deserve abundance and that the things that you desire flow to you easily. And while you're at it, make sure you download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com down below. Over 100,000 people from all over the world have used it with amazing results. It's free and it's designed to rewire your subconscious mind so that while 90 to 95% of your life is habitual and unconscious, you can unconsciously and easily attract more success and abundance into your life. jakeshypnosis.com down below. So download that, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, comment your favorite affirmation out of one of these. Mine is success comes to me easily and quickly. Comment that one down below. Hashtag amazing day down below. Hashtag amazing day. I hope you're feeling amazing and I'm wishing you an absolutely amazing day. See you on the next video. Peace.